guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. We have 6 divided by 3 times 4 over 8 divided by 4 times 4. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, that is here, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now, as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now, we have one fraction. Now, 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 times 4. And in the numerator, we have 8 divided by 4 gives us 2 times 4. Now, we can simplify this expression. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and this 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. And now we have 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 times 1 gives us 1. The final answer is 1. Thank you for watching.